Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be testing the flight time of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic in cruise control mode, flying at a speed of nearly 50 kilometers per hour. Let's see how long it can fly. Alright, so I've got the Mavic 3 Classic in cruise control mode, and I'm flying at a speed of 52.5 kilometers per hour. The drone is handling really well, and it's very stable. I'm also impressed with how quiet the drone is. It's been about 2 minutes now, and the Mavic 3 Classic is still flying strong. I'm starting to get excited to see how long it can last. Wow, it's been 4 minutes, and the Mavic 3 Classic is still flying. I'm really impressed with the flight time on this drone. We have already crossed 3.6 kilometers from the home point, and the signal is still strong. The Mavic 3 Classic has been flying for over 7 minutes now and crossed 5 kilometers distance, and it's still going. This is amazing. The Mavic 3 Classic has been flying for over 12 minutes, and it's starting to show some signs of low signal. I think it's time to come back and land safely. And yes, the signal is weak and drone is returning back to home point. But this is amazing. It goes almost 8,642 meters. That's insane. What do you think? So, there you have it. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic can fly for over 12 minutes in cruise control mode at a speed of nearly 52 kilometers per hour. That's an incredible flight time, and it's just one of the many things that makes this drone so great. One thing I want to mention when I landed the drone, battery is still at 30% mark. Total distance traveled in this flight, 17.5 kilometers, and total flight time is 25 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more drone content.